Friends, today I'm taking you on a journey that will change the way you think. This is the story of Mars, a planet that has always shone in our eyes as a dream and in our hearts as a question. We've all seen that red star in the sky, but have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath its silent surface? Mars is not just red dust. It's a library, holding stories that no book on Earth can tell. Rivers once flowed here. The air was once like Earth's. And perhaps, life may have existed. These are truths science knows, but ordinary people rarely see. So hold your breath, open your mind, because today you'll witness Mars like never before. It's secrets that could change humanity. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Show it to your friends and watch till the end. You might discover something about Mars you've never known. On February 18th, 2025, the Perseverance rover touched down inside Jezero crater. Since then, with each passing sol, it has explored new locations and revealed the hidden secrets of Mars. Let's take a look at some of the most important craters and their mission highlights. The moment you set foot on the surface of Mars, the first thing you notice is that every stone, every grain of sand, tells a story. These are not just simple rocks. They are pages inscribed with the ancient history of Mars. Here the rocks, far more preserved and striking than those on Earth, reveal the conditions of the planet's past. Some, like basaltic rocks, tell us that Mars was once volcanically active. Their iron oxide content gives the planet its red color, but it also hints that the climate may have once resembled Earth's. Then there are sedimentary rocks, stones that form in water. They carry Mars's story back to the time when rivers and lakes flowed across its surface. Within their layers, tiny mineral deposits record the presence of water, the direction of ancient currents, and the intensity of flows, like manuscripts etched over millennia. Rover analyses have revealed clay minerals in some stones. On Earth, such minerals are evidence of prolonged water presence, and when examined closely, some rocks show unusual chemical imprints, structures that have puzzled scientists. Are these simply natural chemical reactions, or remnants of ancient microbial life? These rocks on the surface of Mars are not ordinary. Some have a structure very similar to volcanic rocks on Earth. Some are rounded, as if shaped by flowing water, like pebbles at the bottom of a river, and some are completely sharp-edged, as if someone had carved them. Are they all natural? Or is there another story behind them? Some scientists say that these are just results of geological processes. But when you look closely at the patterns on these stones, you'll be amazed. These shapes almost look like the work of an artist's hand. Could there have ever been a civilization on Mars? Are these rocks remnants of its past? These are questions that no one has been able to answer. Yet these images silently seem to tell us some. On the surface of Mars lies a silent killer. Its atmosphere, once capable of supporting life, has nearly vanished. And the prime reason behind this is the collapse of its magnetic field. Compared to Earth, Mars' magnetic shield is extremely weak. Earth's magnetic field protects us from dangerous solar radiation and winds, but Mars lost much of its protective power. As the field weakened, solar winds gradually stripped away the atmosphere, and surface water turned into vapor, leaving the planet cold and barren. This collapse did not happen overnight. It unfolded over millions of years, transforming Mars from a warm, wet world into a frozen desert. Yet interestingly, some regions on Mars still show magnetic anomalies. These traces suggest that the shield once existed in full, offering scientists clues about the ancient Martian environment. The the loss of atmosphere affects more than temperature and surface conditions. Radiation levels have become extreme, making the surface hostile to life as we know it. But it also raises intriguing questions. Might underground regions, shielded from radiation, still harbor remnants of life? Even data from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter hints at the existence of subterranean water or brine pockets. These hidden reservoirs suggest that despite the collapse, Mars has preserved some of its secrets beneath the surface. Philosophically, the story of Mars is a cautionary tale. A planet that once thrived lost its protective force. It reminds us that every world, whether Earth or Mars, faces constant environmental challenges. Understanding Mars's decline helps scientists anticipate future risks and design safer habitats for human settlers. This tale of collapse is both sobering and awe-inspiring. Mars on Sol 3129 retains its secrets, hidden in rocks, fissures, and valleys, waiting for us to uncover them with patience and technology. Every valley, every rock, every layer on Mars seems to ask the same question. Was there ever life here? And if so, where did it go? Rover missions have revealed that Mars contains all the elements necessary to support life as we know it. Water, carbon compounds, and certain minerals that could serve as nutrients for microorganisms. Some sedimentary rocks show tiny microfossil-like structures, too small to see with the naked eye, yet under an electron microscope they resemble early microbial life on Earth. Some scientists argue these are just chemical artifacts, while others believe they may be remnants of ancient life. And it's not just on the surface. Subsurface regions, shielded from harsh radiation, could potentially host tiny ecosystems even today. Additionally, periodic methane emissions have been observed in Mars's atmosphere. On Earth, methane patterns are often linked to biological activity. On Mars, these emissions may hint at small, hidden life forms, existing underground or in pockets of ice. But these findings are not merely scientific. They are philosophical. If life once existed on Mars, where did it go? Did it vanish entirely? Or does it survive in forms we have yet to detect? These questions challenge us to consider the meaning of life, cosmic loneliness, and the resilience of living systems. It's also possible that Martian life left behind subtle traces, fossils, mineral imprints, or chemical signatures, waiting for us to decode them. Every stone, every canyon, every dry riverbed contains a hidden story, waiting for advanced technology and human curiosity to uncover it. Some researchers even suggest that life from Mars might have reached Earth, a concept known as panspermia, implying that Mars and Earth share a deeper cosmic connection. The potential evidence of life on Mars does more than excite scientists. It inspires humanity. It prompts us to dream, to explore, and to ask the fundamental question: are we alone? Or is life a universal phenomenon waiting to be discovered? Every new discovery on Mars sparks debate among scientists. Some, studying the sedimentary rocks and chemical imprints, are convinced these are clear signs of past life. Others argue that the same features are simply products of natural chemical processes. These disagreements are not just academic. Some theories fall outside mainstream science, challenging conventional thinking. For instance, certain researchers suggest that microfossils on Mars resemble early microbial life on Earth, supporting the idea of panspermia, the notion that life can travel between planets. Then there are the surface anomalies, like the face on Mars and other geometric patterns. While most scientists dismiss them as natural formations, some analyses hint at the possibility of intelligence behind them. Whether purely natural or not, these anomalies continue to fuel fascination and speculation. Observations also extend beyond what current data can fully explain. Some researchers believe methane spikes may indicate biological activity, while others attribute them to geological processes. This ongoing debate is the beauty of science. Every question generates multiple answers, and every answer opens new doors. These disagreements remind us that Mars is more than a red rock. It is a field of study where each fissure, rock, and microscopic detail teaches us something new. Mars' secrets may never be fully revealed, but this uncertainty challenges us to think, question, and imagine. Thank you for watching till the end. You were watching all about Mars' surface. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback and support mean a lot to us. For more exciting and informative content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll be back soon with another amazing video. Until then, take care and stay connected with All About Mars Surface. Thanks for watching.